This past summer, the two of us backpacked through 9 different countries in Eastern Europe. We witnessed captivating sceneries, explored countless cities, saw places deeply affected by war, ate delicious food, tasted new wines, made new friends from all around the world, and even dealt with some unforeseen circumstances. Please enjoy Backpacking Europe, presented by Words with Winos.
Hi guys, we are in our rental car.
Hello!
The company we rented from, what was the name of them?
Autonom.
Really legitimate, like looked at the car like every little inch of it to see if there was any marks on it. I mean, I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, because the one we got in Montenegro, they just gave us the car and then took it back, didn't look at it at all. So that was interesting. And now we're on the way to the Transfăgărășan Highway, which is apparently this beautiful highway in Romania, where we're taking that highway to get to Sibiu, which is the city we're staying in tonight. It was a little rough driving kind of out of the city, but now that we're out of the city, we're on the highway, and it seems like hopefully it'll be smooth sailing until we get there. So yes. So we have been driving for about an hour and a half now, and we pulled over to this small, kind of big, medium town called Pitești. And we're gonna get some food because we are hungry. Hopefully we know what we're doing. We found a parking spot, and let's go eat.
Yeah.
So we are at the restaurant in Romania, and Pitești, and we got another 2 Romanian dishes,
Roasted eggplant salad.
and these fried pork rinds, which look awesome. We've been eating them everywhere we've been going, but apparently they're famous here too. So first I'll try some mustard. It's different than the other one. I actually feel the meat inside.
Oh.
It's interesting.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna try this roasted eggplant salad. I love eggplant, so I'm excited. It's so good. It's so flavorful. It really tastes like eggplant and like a
Ketchup?
like some kind of dip you would dip like chips into.
Oh.
Like ranch dip or something. It's really good. Normally you would eat it with bread, but we don't like to eat bread, so I'm just gonna eat it with a fork.
There were just people everywhere, cars jammed on top of this mountain, and it was pretty spooky driving through.
Very tight road too, and everyone's just like squeezing past each other. It's pretty terrifying. Now this person's
dogs
passing
everywhere.
me.
Yeah, people don't give a shit how to drive here.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know if we're on the highway or the mountain. It still says we're 22 kilometers away or 22 minutes away. So I don't know, but no, at least we passed all the people, but there's really nice nature. It's hard to see unless you pull over, but it's really hard to pull over here.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of dangerous, but I mean, maybe for Romanian and you're used to it, I guess it's not so bad, but for us, it's definitely more challenging, so
yeah, and I don't want to have to like lose the deposit that we paid on this car or pay for any damages, you know? Yeah. It's a huge amount of money, so.
Yeah, definitely, so.
We could pull over here.
But why?
There's nothing over here.
They're just eating.
You're right.
So I think we actually found, well, we've been on the same road, but now it's starting to get absolutely beautiful. We're just driving and we just have these amazing views and so green and large and beautiful. Like, we really like it now. We
look at this.
Definitely spoke too soon. Like, just ridiculous mountains everywhere. Wow. Really cool.
Holy
so
crap.
This is really nice. Wow. So we pulled over and got out of the car to enjoy these views. There's Marilyn getting the drone set up. It's ridiculous. I really hope it doesn't rain though. It looks pretty spooky. As you drive up this highway, you can definitely, if you get hungry and you're like, oh no, there's no restaurants, I'm on top of a mountain, they actually have a lot of stands of people selling fruits and sausages and cheeses. So really good selections of foods while driving up this mountain. So there's definitely something you can eat or drink while you're driving. These views are freaking ridiculous. Huh. Just driving on this road is incredible. We can't stop pulling over. There's sheep all the way over there. I am going to zoom in. One moment. That is all sheep.